Pearl. The world wants to know.
Little Pearl.
How do you feel about your brother? Is he kind of loud? Does he cry a lot?
It'll be okay, pretty girl. You'll learn to love him, won't you? Or not, I don't know. You're our baby though, too.
Yeah.
Yes, I know, Daddy.
What's he doing? What?
Say, I know dinner time with Mom and Daddy's your time. Aw, pretty girl, Pearl. We love a Pearl.
Oh, your Pearl girl's so sweet.
Come on.
Uh-oh.
Come on, Pearl.
I don't think she wants to, Daddy.
Oh, okay, I saw